For number 13, we have y is greater than or equal to negative 2x. If you compare this problem to these two only had one variable in the inequality. Here we have two variables. So we need to put a plus 0 at the end of this equation to make it look like slope-intercept form. Secondly, we need to find this on our chart. So we've got a greater than or equal to, which is solid, has that line equal to, and then greater than means that we have to shade up. So I will start at 0, which is your b. My slope is negative 2 over 1, so I'm going to go down 2 units, right 1, a few different times. And then I can also go up 2, left 1 a few times. We already said that it was solid. And for shading up, we're going to go back to where I started, and I'm literally going to draw a line going up, and it shows that this side of the graph is what gets shaded. Okay, for number 14, again, this is going to be slope-intercept form. So we have a negative 3 over 1 for our slope, and then our b is 5. We have a greater than symbol. So greater is dashed and up. So I start at 5 on the y-axis, and then I'm going to go down 3, right 1. Okay. Then for dashed, go ahead and dash your line. And to shade up, we go back to where we started. We don't have a lot of graph left, but that's okay. We're going to go up, and that you can see that on this side of your graph is up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and shade that in. Alright, we only have 2 more left. So on the bottom part, it does say put into slope-intercept form, SIF, what type of line and how would you shade, and then graph that. So looking at number 15, I need to get y by itself, so I'm going to subtract my 5x. And I have y is greater than negative 5x plus 2. So this is my slope, negative 5 over 1. My b is 2. This is where I start on the y-axis. And then a greater than symbol, we discussed that one in number 14. So that was dashed, and you shade above. So starting at 2, go down 5, right 1. We also can go up 5. Over 1. I know we're off the graph a little bit there. That's okay. Dash that. And then to shade up, we go back to where we started. I go up, and I see that this side of my graph is what we shade. Okay. Last one, number 16, is very similar to number 15. Just like on this one we had to subtract the 5x, we're going to subtract the 4x on number 16. So subtract the 4x. We get y is less than negative 4x plus 6. That negative 4, put it over 1 is your slope. That last number is your b, and that is where you begin on the y-axis. From that 6, we're going to go down 4, right 1. Looks like we can do that 3 times. This is a less than symbol. So less than is dashed and shade down. Oh, dang it. So dashed and shade down. So I go to where I started, I draw a line down, and this is the side that we shade.